I have another 12-inch 5-string banjo to show you today. Number, can't keep track this month, 817. And it's all maple and pistachio. So 12-inch rim with a brass tone ring and pistachio trim. It's got a cool neck that turned out pretty curly. 5-piece neck. And more pistachio. And all the maple from this is from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland. It's interesting, I collected maple for many years waiting for all the banjo orders, and then everyone orders non-maple banjos from me. So stringing this one up was like, oh yeah, this is what banjos usually sound like. Not that I don't like making them out of all my other woods, but it's nice to just have the like clear as a bell fundamentals and like the, you know, bright, rich tone, you know, maple. It's good. And this is actually for a local customer, so hopefully I'll see it around once in a while. It's got a natural goatskin head, little maple and pistachio bridge, got the armrest on there. Yeah. Yeah, it's a great little banjo. It's solid. I'm really pleased with it. Making 3 banjos in 1 month that all have a 12-inch rim. It's been fun to hear the differences. And sorry I don't have the time and energy to make a big video with all 3 banjos. Maybe some other month. So, cheers.